outside light fittings, what type is best? Well, we're all quite familiar with the old-fashioned halogen floodlight or PIR light, passive infrared. And what that does, it senses when something is in front of it and the light comes on then. So it's a sensor light. You can get ones that just switch from inside. So the thing is, it depends on the purpose that you want it for and the energy that it's going to cost to run. So those older halogen PIR lights, they are the ones that cost the most money to run because they're the most powerful light. You can get those in an LED equivalent now, and they're very common, and the prices come right down for those units. Now you can have lights outside for security, to light up a large area and to make it really bright when someone walks past it. That's the most common type of light. But there's also a functional light or more decorative light as well. So you might have a lantern type light next to your door entrance, or an up-down type of light that shines up and down on the brick wall. Those give you a bit of effect, they look nice, and also they are less to run, especially if you put an LED in it as well. And it's more for you seeing the door when you go in, or switching it on for guests coming in, or so that you can see the key when you're coming back in the house. So you can get them in half lantern as well. And then there's lots of effect ones. So there might be the garden ones, whether it's spike lights are kind of cheap garden ones, but they're not as good as properly wired in nice ones set in the stones or something like that. So there's a whole variety. So whether you want it for effect or security, hopefully that helps to explain a little bit of the difference.